Hey, you sir.
All right.
Yeah. John, you better come around to the front, Daddy. You gotta hold it.
That is upright, but facing the wrong way.